Isama lang namin kayo sa ganap namin for today. We're here at The Bay! Cavite. Yun lang. Just keep on watching, please. This is our room.
Hi! Come in, come in! Come in, come in!
So, here is our room. Pagpasok mo, on your left, you have drawers. Huwag na natin i-open kasi ito yung mga kalat namin. Okay, come on.
Use that!
And on your right side, we have a length mirror. Yes, come here. If you open this one,
Sink, guys.
eh,
And they have blower.
this?
Yeah. Blower.
They have water also.
Oh my god, they have water.
They have dental kit too. They have toilet. You want to see the toilet?
Skibidi toilet, and then here's the shower.
So there's a lot
There's a
here
lot.
like this. Look at this.
And then on the other side,
That's the reality, guys. We have our baon.
yeah.
Tipid tips, okay? Pwede naman siya. Ano ba itong toothbrush na ito?
So yan, meron silang free
Coffee.
coffee, water.
Waters.
We have 4 beds.
Ate, na laging tulog. Ilalagay ka lang sa patulog. Ito naman!
Ay, manggugulo sa aming vlog.
At tilian. Basher ng vlog namin yan. Pag may nakita kayong naka-dislike, salang ko yun. It's Ate Princess na busy-busy nila Tony.
Powder! Tony Powder! Tony Powder! Tony Powder!
And here is our view. Guys, it's already 4:40.
Ito po yung isang batuta.
We're still waiting for Ate Vanessa and Amparo.
May malaking pusa. We're eating now. This is what's happening right now. We're so full of
Waiting for today's video.
Okay, so we're on our way to swimming pool. And yung mga nakapang swimming pool na, ang mga people of the earth. Si Bill.
Wow, excited. Zion, we're not going to swimming pool. We're going to gym.
Picture!
Hindi ka parehas ako ng...
Ayun, tuwa na kami nila.
Ay, ayun pala!
Ang mga ate nasa taas lang. So tapos na po kami mag-swimming and exactly 8 talaga kami umahon.
Oh, hindi. Wala pang 8.
Wala pa bang 8? Mag-8 na lang kasara na doon sila noon. Pool.
Mamaya.
So sisiw check. So, we're on our way sa buffet.
For breakfast.
Yeah, at 7:31 a.m. Here's our food. Yes, breakfast.
Hindi mo sa'yo yan, kay mami yan.
Ano? And we're back again. And we're on our way to swimming pool again. Cause,
Guys,
I'm still dead. Still dead.
from last night.
Ito na po, nangyayari sa bundok ibabaw. Sayan. Sayan, say hi to the vlog.
I did the vlog.
10:52 pa lang. We still have time to chill. Thank you to our sponsor for this trip. AJ Humaran. AJ Humaran. AJ Humaran. Wala pa rin pong haharang. Uli na kami. Goodbyes.